In filming, content creating, keyframes are essential to edit videos. They can unlock magic in your editing. Today, I will show you how to animate, zooming, and how to add color blending effects using keyframes in CapCut. Zoom effect. I use CapCut, but every editing software follow these same steps with keyframes. First, import video clip. Drag and drop it to the timeline. I'm going to zoom in and zoom out this dotted menu. Choose right position in timeline that you want to do the zoom. Then add keyframes to scale and position. When zooming, scale of the video and the position of the video will be changed. So we have to add keyframes for both by marking them. Then choose next position in timeline. When come to this position, zoom in will be completed. So add keyframes by upscaling and positioning the window like this. When we change those, keyframes will be automatically added, because previously we added keyframes by mark them down. Okay, choose next point in the timeline. Keep unchanged scale and the position and add keyframes. It's mean between these 2 points, video will be in zoomed position. Then, for zoom out, choose next point in timeline and set scale and position to original. Scale to 100 and position coordinates to 0. Now let's play the video and take a look. It is working, but speed of the zooming is too slow. To make it fast, we have to bring those keyframe points to closer. Zoom the timeline from here and bring each points closer. Okay, let's play the video again. Now it's okay. That's how zoom in and zoom out part of a video. Transitions and animations. Import your media and drag them to the timeline. I am going to animate this aeroplane using keyframes. First, select the aeroplane in the timeline. Here, start of the clip, I position the aeroplane in left upper corner and add a keyframe only for the position. Then I position the aeroplane to right bottom corner and add another keyframe. Between these two positions, airplane travels in a linear path. Now let's take a look. In this, I added keyframes to animate it through a circular path. Look the aeroplane position corresponding to points. So, you can understand, to get more accurate circle, we have to add more keyframes closer. This is just an example to understand how it's work. Now we look how to add color effects. Import the clip and drag it to the timeline. Select it. In Video Basic tab, go to Blend, change the opacity and add a keyframe. Then, choose next point in the timeline and add keyframe by change the opacity. Let's play the clip. Now you can see how it's work. First point, low opacity. Next point, high opacity. You can change opacity according to your wishing design. That's how use keyframes for color blending effects, animations, and zooming. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe my channel, and stay tuned with me. Until next, goodbye.